Where's the jail?
So this was a church. Hey, this was a church right here. And then when they grew and became bigger, they went over there.
After nito, Tesya.
Where's the jail?
The jail actually.
Which one?
Okay,
The jail. Where's the jail? Where? It's the church. No.
that's the first church. First church?
The first church. Philippi Church.
Philippi.
Excuse me.
Philippi Church.
Take me also one. Wait a minute. Here. The Philip. I will take it. Ella. Ni, dito. Go there, sis. Sit inside.
Jehovah naman yan, nakalagay.
Rali ka sandali. Sandali lang. Yan, sa gitna.
Bakit Jehovah ang nakasulat?
Kunin mo yung gate.
Brother Luther, gate.
Saan yung gate? Asan yung gate? Hindi pa ito yung one.
Hindi.
Is it the prison? No, this is the jail. The jail is there. This is the Philippi Church.
Philippi Church. The Philippi Church. Then din mo.
Tita Lari!
Ano to yan?
Supay ah? Kasi naman likaw ka. Alam, papicture ka. Ito
Palang bumaba rito.
Dalam normal ke? About face normal. Ibiin mo ko namin.